Finally, let's learn how to use wound support when coughing. Wound support helps to reduce your pain and makes secretion clearance more effective when coughing. Begin by performing deep breathing with your incentive spirometer to move phlegm up and make it easier to clear. Place a folded towel against the wound site and apply gentle compression. Take a deep breath to the bottom of your lungs and cough as hard as you can. If you produce any phlegm, spit it into a tissue or the paper bag provided. Remember, do not swallow your phlegm. If you have any questions, please contact your attending physiotherapist.